hooking into a gelatinous-like material called a cupula. We have the support cells around it. And again, we see our sensory nerve. Now, whenever we move in one of those directional planes, then the fluid is kind of like if you've ever used a level. And if you use the level, you've got some fluid and a bubble in the middle of it. You try to line the bubble up between 2 points with the way you move your level. So we have a very similar thing going on here. Whenever we move in a certain direction, we have the fluid going past the cupula, causing it to bend in a certain direction, usually opposite from the direction of the rotation. So the cupula then, as it bends, it elicits the action potential through the nerve endings that are tied to the hair cells, and then this sends information back. And the information from this goes back to our cerebellum, which we found out was responsible for, one of the main things responsible for is balance and our sense of position.